Ever wondered about a sweet solution to that annoying cough? Honey isn't just a delightful sweetener, it's nature's cough drop. In fact, studies have shown that honey can be just as effective as some commercial cough suppressants. Its thick consistency coats and soothes an irritated throat, providing not just relief but also a boost to the immune system. And unlike regular cough syrup, it's all natural with no side effects. So next time you're kept awake by a pesky cough, consider a spoonful of honey. Remember, a little sweetness can go a long way in your path to wellness.